Alright, let me give a warm welcome to everybody there in YouTube world. My name is Morgan, and this will be the introduction video of my channel. I am calling T.C.B. Garage. Stands for Taking Care of Business Garage. The main thing we're going to be doing on this channel would be, we're going to be doing some car flips. We're going to be doing some work on my own vehicles. And we're going to hopefully one day segue into doing restoration work. The main reason I want to start this channel, my main inspiration would be this vehicle right here. This is my 1974 Corvette. I did all the restoration work myself on this car over the course of 2 years. This is my dream car. This is a car I've always wanted since I was a young child. It is a 1974 Corvette, and it is the same age as me. I also was born in 1974. I always wanted a 74 Corvette. So about 5 years ago, I bought this. Saved up some money, and about 2.5 years ago, 2 years ago, I started working on it. When I got it, it was just the body, a frame, no engine, no transmission, rear end, suspension, steering components were there, no interior. Pieced everything to myself, sourced everything, did the paint work, body work, interior work, engine work, and I think it's turned out pretty nice. So with doing this car, it sort of inspired me to want to do other cars. Want to restore more cars. And of course, there's a lot of people on YouTube doing that. And I thought, what the hell? I'll give it a try myself. But, before we do that, we're going to need to do some car flips. Speaking of which, this is one of the flips that we're going to go over. I'm also going to show you guys another one of the cars that's going to be used in upcoming videos. This car I had before my Corvette. It's my 94 Mustang. We will see this car also in some posts, or in some videos I should say. It's also work I want to do to this car. This is a 94 Mustang with the 5.0 motor in it. A lot of people like it has a 5.0 motor over the 4.6, but this car I've had for about 12 years. Got it, it had been hitting the front end, so I totally had to replace the front end. Paint work also done by myself. This was the second car I ever painted. I'm sure everybody's starting to notice there's a little bit of a trend here with the black cars. I do enjoy black, but this car is pretty nice. She runs out pretty good. There's a lot of stuff I want to do in the future to it. Wouldn't mind doing a Coyote 5.0 swap on it. I think that would make very, very interesting content. But she's also real nice, clean inside. Don't drive it too much since I got the Corvette running, but it's a pretty nice car. But this vehicle will also provide pretty good content for the channel, I do believe. So, what we're going to look at now, though, is going to be a car I just purchased yesterday at auction. And that would be a 2006 Chevy Impala. Got it for a pretty good price. Pretty good deal on it. It's a clean car. It's got the 3.5 V6 motor in it. And let me find this key and I will start it up for everybody. Alright, so I was able to locate the keys to the Impala. And like I said, just got it at auction yesterday. It was a Volunteers of America auction. And like I said, it's got the 3.5 V6. When I bought it, the alternator was off, which it still is. And I was assuming maybe they were working on it, but I knew it probably had some other issues. Nobody donates a car because the alternator's bad. The coil pack was taken apart. Some of the wires are off the coil pack. I just got those put on, and I actually did start the car up. It does run, it does drive. Took it down the road, the transmission does shift. But I'm going to start it up here in a second and let you guys hear what it's doing. Overall, it's a clean car, clean body. A few dents in this door, but that's nothing major. The price point we'll be selling this car for, I don't think that's a big issue. I'm not going to really worry about it. Although I could do the body work. I could paint the door and blend it in, match everything up. I don't think really it's worth the effort. But inside, it is a clean car. It's got 165,000 miles on it, which isn't too bad. Came with a touchscreen radio. It's a pretty nice car. Headliner's not drooping or anything. All four tires match, and they actually have good tread. And we got some scratches here on the back bumper, but nothing major. Overall, once we clean it up, get it running, detail out the interior, it's going to be a pretty nice car for somebody. But let's go ahead and start it up and see what is going on with it. Alright, so starts right up, but pretty sure everybody can hear what she's doing. Oh yeah, she got a nice little knock there. It's like, hello, who's there? Mr. Knock is there. So, I've already checked on a motor. I can get a motor from LKQ with, I think, 89,000 miles on it for about $280. To me, the knock doesn't sound really bad. It would definitely need a new crankshaft. And I thought about maybe replacing the crankshaft, pulling the motor, going through it, but I think the crankshaft itself is about $180, so it really doesn't make sense to do that. So what we're going to be doing to this car is we are going to be getting in the garage here, and we are going to be changing out that motor. And I'm going to take you guys with me. So that's what we're going to be doing on this channel. Doing some flips like this. We're going to be working on this old Corvette and this Mustang. And as subscribers gain, and as we hopefully grow this channel, I'm going to be doing an addition onto this garage, going on the other side right here, which will more than double the space of it. That's happening this spring. I'll have a slab pour this spring and be doing all the work myself, so there'll also be some there'll also be a lot of videos on that. But what I really want to do is transition this channel into doing restoration work. I want to get some older cars in here and show you guys what we can do with bring them back to life. You know, doing all the paint work, doing all the motor work, bringing something ugly back to life, making it a nice car out of it again. This Corvette right here was my inspiration, and that's why I want to start this channel. So there'll be more videos to come of that Impala. There is already some videos where I've just been working on doing the excuse me, doing the bushings in these control arms. I've already started those, so that video will probably post right after this one. And like I said, there's more things to come with this car. I wouldn't mind doing a fuel injection setup on it too. Right now it's got a carburetor. It's got 350 in it. 4-barrel Holly. I really wouldn't mind doing a maybe an Oderbrock conversion on it. Putting the throttle body on there, doing the fuel lines, putting an in-tank fuel pump on it. I think that would be pretty cool. I know there's a lot of guys on some of the Corvette pages I follow on Facebook that wouldn't mind seeing some videos like that. So that's something that's neat. But yeah, welcome everybody, and yeah, let's make this channel grow. If you like this video, please subscribe. Leave me a content. Tell me where I might be doing something wrong or something I can improve on. This is my first time doing this, so hopefully we can grow this channel into something together. But I do appreciate you watching. Hopefully you subscribe, and hopefully you watch some more. All right, thank you very much, guys. Everybody have a good one.